Morning guys, July 17, 2024. This is where I got a call from a guy. I guess I replaced his outside faucet or did something for him. And he's having an issue now with one of his air conditioning units. And told me yesterday shut it off. He said he'd been running it on and off for 3-4 days and it's still not cooling. It's like, guy, just shut it off or leave it off. It's not cooling. You could burn it out. Fucking people don't get it. I don't understand. So anyway, I talked to him last night and he supposedly had it off all night. So we'll see if we can get it up and running and see what the deal is with it. See what's going on with it. This area had a lot of ICP units, older ICP units, older systems in here. A lot of them. We'll see what we're doing when we get there. It'll probably be a helicopter type.
Yeah, there's the fan.
Alright, so the fan is working.
Yeah.
Fan on. He's got it off right now. Let me check the unit outside first.
Okay.
Before I turn it on. Has he changed the filters?
We changed them. I think so. I gotta be honest, that's his department.
Yeah, they look clean, but that has to be done also.
We do that like every 2 to 3 months. This area.
Well, that's fine. I mean, you don't have to go crazy. If they're dirty, every 6 months change them. Don't go every.
We do about 3 months because we bought so many.
Well, that's fine. If you wanna, you know, you wanna do it. That's fine. But as long as you change it when it's dirty, it's good. You know.
And
don't have to go overboard.
I have to be honest. We don't use the second floor a lot.
Yeah. So this is gonna be the one. That's the first floor one. That one's the first floor one. This is gonna be the second floor one. It's on, I just turned it on, but it's on delay, right? So this is probably it. This is the second floor one. I shut the first floor one off. It's low on gas. I gotta get some gas for it. This is R22. Hate to shut this fucker off, but I gotta get some gas for it. It's R22. So we got pressure in there. Let's see what it's like when we turn it on. If it starts. This is gonna be above 60 on the suction. It's gonna be low. I can tell by the air coming out the top it's low. Look at this dropping, see? Needs a charge. She's a leaker. 31. Yeah, she needs a charge. Watch that suction line. If that started dropping, you know that he's been running it. Nice stuff. Superheat down. Yeah, superheat at 42, bring that down. About 20 or so. No leaker. Not good. It's like a might be a little 2-ton system here on the second floor. I try to hit the coil with a hose. I did hit the coil really good with the garden hose, bottom and everything, good as I could, all around. The subcooler is still pretty high. I got the superheat down where I need it, and I got the suction up. It's a piston. I mean, it's an older system here. Looks like it's a 2-ton. Not long for this world, I'll tell you. We're getting cold and sweaty here. 24 on the superheat, 70 on the suction. My subcooling's high. Fan's blowing the right way. Not pretty, Mama.